Today we talk about how to turn off companies notifications on your Glassdoor app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings. So then you come to this list here, you click here on push email here notifications. Then you go down, click here on edit email settings. Then you just switch into open video here. So just switch in, then all you have to do, you just go down here and you come here to companies, click on it. Then you come to this list, you click here in this sign that like you see color it's gone, that's mean companies notifications turn off with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.